Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix activation error for iMessage and FaceTime. If you are using iMessage and FaceTime in your iPhone or iPad and you're facing activation error, so let's see how can you fix that. So you just have to simply open your settings app. Very first, I recommend you have to go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that your iOS is up to date. After that, you have to simply go back from here and scroll down, look for apps section, select that. Then further scroll down, very first you have to look for FaceTime, select that app, and here you must have to enable this toggle and the FaceTime app. Just enable that, and once you have enabled, you just have to wait for up to 5 to 10 seconds, and you will get your address here. So you can also try to relaunch your settings app. So open your settings app again, go for app section, look for FaceTime app, and you have to check if your is enabled or not. So you can see that it has been activated and you will get your address here. After that, you have to simply go back from here and look for iMessage or the messages app. Select that, and here you just have to try to enable the toggle in iMessage. Select that. Here's the iMessage. You just have to enable this. Once you have enabled, you'll get your send and receive option here. So once you have enabled this, both your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix your activation errors for your iMessage or FaceTime and your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.